Welcome to Fluent English Frontier Podcast. Today we will practice English for the workplace, phone calls, and answering messages. This is a listening and repeat after me practice designed to help you improve fluency. Let's begin. I will guide you step by step. Hello, how may I help you? Hello, how may I help you? This is a polite and professional way to answer a phone call in a workplace. You are offering assistance. Repeat after me. Hello, how may I help you? Good morning. This is Maya speaking. Good morning, this is Maya speaking. This is a common way to introduce yourself when answering the phone at work. Repeat after me. Good morning, this is Maya speaking. May I know who is calling? May I know who is calling? This is a polite way to ask for the caller's name or identity. Repeat after me. May I know who is calling? I will connect you to the right department. I will connect you to the right department. This is something you say when transferring a call at work. Repeat after me. I will connect you to the right department. Could you please hold for a moment? Could you please hold for a moment? This is how you politely ask someone to wait on the phone. Repeat after me. Could you please hold for a moment? Thank you for waiting. Thank you for waiting. This is what you say after putting someone on hold. Repeat after me. Thank you for waiting. I am sorry. She is not available right now. I am sorry. She is not available right now. This is how you politely say the person cannot come to the phone. Repeat after me. I am sorry. She is not available right now. Can I take a message for her? Can I take a message for her? This is what you say when you want to write down a caller's message. Repeat after me. Can I take a message for her? Please call back later. Please call back later. This is a simple way to ask the caller to try again. Repeat after me. Please call back later. Could you please spell your name? Could you please spell your name? This is what you ask if you want the caller to spell their name clearly. Repeat after me. Could you please spell your name? May I have your phone number? May I have your phone number? This is a professional way to ask for contact details. Repeat after me. May I have your phone number? I will give her your message. I will give her your message. This is a promise to deliver the message to someone. Repeat after me. I will give her your message. He will get back to you as soon as possible. He will get back to you as soon as possible. This means he will return the call soon. Repeat after me. He will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for calling. Thank you for calling. This is a polite way to end a professional phone call. Repeat after me. Thank you for calling. Let's move to workplace conversations now. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. This is how you talk about your work schedule. Repeat after me. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. This is how you suggest arranging a meeting. Repeat after me. Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. Can you send me the report? Can you send me the report? This is how you ask a coworker to share a document. Repeat after me. Can you send me the report? I will finish the task by the deadline. I will finish the task by the deadline. This is how you show responsibility for your work. Repeat after me. I will finish the task by the deadline. Let's work on this project together. Let's work on this project together. This is how you suggest teamwork. Repeat after me. Let's work on this project together. I need more time to complete this. I need more time to complete this. This is how you request an extension politely. Repeat after me. I need more time to complete this. I will email you the details. I will email you the details. This is how you confirm that you will send information. Repeat after me. I will email you the details. Let's take a short break. Let's take a short break. This is how you suggest pausing work for a moment. Repeat after me. Let's take a short break. Can we discuss this after lunch? Can we discuss this after lunch? This is a polite way to reschedule a discussion. Repeat after me. Can we discuss this after lunch? Please review the document carefully. Please review the document carefully. This is how you ask someone to check something closely. Repeat after me. Please review the document carefully. I will share the updated version soon. This is how you talk about revisions. Repeat after me. I will share the updated version soon. This presentation is very important. This presentation is very important. This is how you emphasize the importance of work. Repeat after me. This presentation is very important. Could you explain that again? Could you explain that again? This is a polite way to ask for clarification at work. Repeat after me. Could you explain that again? Let's move on to the next point. Let's move on to the next point. This is how you keep a meeting organized. Repeat after me. Let's move on to the next point. I will keep you updated. I will keep you updated. This means you will share new information when available. Repeat after me. I will keep you updated. Please let me know if you have questions. Please let me know if you have questions. This is how you end an explanation politely. Repeat after me. Please let me know if you have questions. I appreciate your hard work. I appreciate your hard work. This is how you give positive feedback to colleagues. Repeat after me. I appreciate your hard work. Great job on the project. Great job on the project. This is how you praise someone's performance. Repeat after me. Great job on the project. I look forward to working with you again. I look forward to working with you again. This is how you express positivity for future collaboration. Repeat after me. I look forward to working with you again. Let's return to phone call practice. Who would you like to speak to? Who would you like to speak to? This is a polite question when answering calls. Repeat after me. Who would you like to speak to? She's on another call right now. She's on another call right now. This is a professional way to say someone is busy. Repeat after me. She is on another call right now. Would you like to leave a voicemail? Would you like to leave a voicemail? This is how you suggest leaving a recorded message. Repeat after me. Would you like to leave a voicemail? I am sorry, the line is busy. I am sorry, the line is busy. This is how you say the phone line cannot connect. Repeat after me. I am sorry. The line is busy. Could you call back in 10 minutes? Could you call back in 10 minutes? This is how you politely ask for a later call. Repeat after me. Could you call back in 10 minutes? I will let him know you called. I will let him know you called. This is how you promise to deliver a message. Repeat after me. I will let him know you called. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. This is how you politely thank someone for waiting. Repeat after me. Thank you for your patience. Please send me a message. Please send me a message. This is a common workplace request for quick communication. Repeat after me. Please send me a message. I will text you the details. I will text you the details. This means you will share information by message. Repeat after me. I will text you the details. Can you reply to my email today? Can you reply to my email today? This is a polite workplace request for response. Repeat after me. Can you reply to my email today? Let's confirm this by email. Let's confirm this by email. This means you will finalize details through email. Repeat after me. Let's confirm this by email. I hope this call was helpful. I hope this call was helpful. This is a professional way to end a call. Repeat after me. I hope this call was helpful. It was nice speaking with you. It was nice speaking with you. This is how you politely end a call with positivity. Repeat after me. It was nice speaking with you. Goodbye and have a great day. Goodbye and have a great day. This is a polite way to close a call. Repeat after me. Goodbye and have a great day. Thank you so much for staying with me through this full English shadowing and listening practice session focused on workplace English, phone calls, and messages. By repeating, listening carefully, and practicing along with me, you have already taken a strong step towards sounding more confident and natural in English. Remember, consistency is the key. Listen again tomorrow, repeat after me again, and let the sentences become automatic in your mind. If you enjoyed this lesson, please don't forget to subscribe to the Fluent English Frontier podcast, like this video, and share it with a friend who is also learning English. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. I'll see you in the next session, but until then, keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep building your confidence in English.